Defiance is one of the disguises that anxiety wears. So it wasn't because he was being oppositional or defiant. It was because he was scared. There was something that was triggering fear and anxiety in him. And it's like if your house was on fire and the firefighter said, I know the kitchen is on fire, but I'm telling you the living room is fine. I need you to go in. Do you want to walk in or do you want me to carry you in? Right? Do you want to skip in or do you want to run in? So these tactics and strategies, they might work in some situations, but when there's a deeper fear and anxiety going on, they're not going to be effective because they're not really addressing what's the real problem. The real problem is not he's not going in the pool. The real problem is that he's feeling anxious, he's feeling fearful. There's something going on underneath. And so I didn't force him to go in, not that I could have unless I threw him in. And what we did was on a separate day, not at swim class, we went to a pool and we started really slowly where we just visited a pool. I went in the pool and he watched. And honestly, it didn't actually take that much. It was putting him in a situation where he did feel more supported and less stressed.